If you're planning an event or webinar, collecting RSVPs through forms is one of the simplest and most effective ways to stay organized, and in this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it in under 3 minutes. Plus, I've tested all the most popular tools out there, and by the end, I'll share a free trial exclusive to viewers of my channel so you can follow along with the software I recommend. First, let's talk setup. Open the software we'll be using, link is in the description, and choose a blank form or use one of the pre-made RSVP templates to save time. These templates are already optimized with fields like name, email, and attendance confirmation. Make sure to customize the title to something clear like RSVP for your event name and include the date, time, and location or webinar link right at the top so no one misses it. Now, the key to collecting quality RSVPs is asking only what you need. Stick to essentials, name, email, and a yes/no dropdown for attendance. You can optionally add questions like number of guests or dietary requirements if it's a physical event, but don't overwhelm people. The simpler your form, the higher your response rate. Next, head to the settings and make sure email notifications are turned on. This way, you'll get alerts every time someone RSVPs. Also, enable confirmation messages so attendees know their response was recorded. Bonus points if you include a calendar invite or event details in that confirmation. Once your form is ready, click share and grab the link. You can embed this form on your website, drop it in emails, or post it on social media. If it's for a webinar, I recommend embedding it on your landing page and connecting it to your email list so you can send reminders before the event. Want to take it a step further? Our software lets you automatically tag RSVPs, segment them, and even send follow-up emails to only those who responded yes. That's how you increase attendance without lifting a finger. So what's the key takeaway? If you're hosting any event or webinar, don't just wing it. Use a smart form to collect RSVPs, automate confirmations, and keep everything organized in one place. It saves time, reduces no-shows, and gives you a clearer picture of who's coming. Quick recap. Choose a form template, keep it simple, enable notifications and confirmations, share your link, and if you want to automate the follow-up, connect it to your email list. Easy. And remember, if you want to follow along with the exact software I used here, there's a free trial link exclusive to viewers of my channel in the description below. Take advantage of it. It's hands down the best tool I've tested for collecting RSVPs for events or webinars. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.